Hey guys, this is Mohammed. Today we're going to do something fun. You know all those electronic scooters that are laying around the city? We're going to try and use one of them to get some fake gimbal dolly shots. Now, just a disclaimer before we start the video, this is not supposed to be an official replacement for gimbals or like a DIY gimbal system. This is just a fun method of getting some unique shots. So I'm going to try it, see what happens. I'm not sure if it's going to work even. So, all right, let's go find us a scooter. There's one, there, right there. Okay, so first issue, gas is on the right hand, brake is on the left. So you gotta be careful because you gotta hold the camera with one hand and then press the gas. Another issue is these things don't move when stationary, so you gotta give it a kick before you can hit the gas. So let's see how this goes, first try. So I'm gonna hit the record button first. Bring up the camera, compose, and then I'm gonna go like this. Oops. Okay, so that was 4K 60. The results were decent. They're not, gimbal smooth, but they're okay, and it's a lot of fun. So now let's try super slow motion, full HD 180 frames per second. Let's see how this goes. So hit the record button, bring up the camera, and go. Okay, so the results in super slow motion were much better than just 4K 60, but that was just scenery. I'm gonna try and see if I can shoot like a person. I'm gonna shoot Zahra, who's shooting me over there. By the way, the camera lens combo is Panasonic GH5 with a Sigma 18-35. I'm gonna put this on 35 now at f3.5, and I'm gonna see if I can get Zahra in any sort of decent shot. So let's try. Oh, there's a kid in front of me. You gotta wait and go. Okay. All right. Okay, that didn't turn out so hot. So I'm gonna go back to slow motion, 120 frames per second this time, and I'm gonna put it on 24 millimeters. So let's see. And I'm gonna come straight at Zahra, so hope I don't crash into her. Oh, this isn't working. Oh, oh, oh. Catastrophe, catastrophe avoided, catastrophe avoided. So people shots are a lot harder to get than just landscape scenery shots, but with some practice you can get some decent results. And the look that you get from these movements, it's very unique. It's not something you can easily accomplish with a gimbal. It kind of has like a fast dolly feel to it, and I really like that. And it's a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun riding around these things, these electronic scooters. And I feel like I do my best work when I'm having fun shooting that project. So I'm gonna keep practicing, taking more shots, and see what kind of results we'll get. Okay, so after about, I don't know, 2 hours of riding this thing around, getting some shots, I can say that with some practice you can get some really good, unique looking shots. Now, does it replace a gimbal or a dolly? Of course not. You need professional equipment for professional shoots, but this is a very creative and fun way to get some unique looking shots. Okay, gonna go return this now. You can hitch it to any post you can find, and then you just gotta take a picture and send it to the Marty people. So, you know, this is the lock. If I can get it unhooked. And make sure you wipe it off after you're done. You know, Corona. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, let us know what you think in the comments. And I've got a lot of these fun trick videos coming up, so consider subscribing to my channel. Till next time.